Good morning, students. I hope you have completed your homework exercise 2E, remaining questions which I have left to that day. Now today we will start our next topic, test for divisibility by 6 and 8. In our previous class we have studied about 2, 3, 4 and 5. Today we will study about 6 and 8. See, by 6. First of all we will study about 6. See what it is given here. A number divisible by 6 must be an even number. First point that you have to remember is it must be the number, the digit which has been given there, it must be an even number. It must be even number. And second point that you have to remember is it should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. The number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. These 2 points you have to remember for divisibility test of 6. Just suppose a number is given to you 351. See, first of all apply your first point here. It must be an even number. 351 is not an even number. It means it is not divisible by 6. See, one more example is there. 422. It is even number. First point, if you apply your first point here, it is an even number. Means first point is applied here. Now see, the number must be divisible by 2 and 3 both. It is even number, means it is divisible by 2. But try that it is divisible by 3 or not. Now see, how to find if it is divisible by 3 or not? 4. First of all, add the number 4 plus 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. Means it is not divisible by 6 also. It must be divisible by 2 and 3 both number. If it is divisible by 2 and not by 3, it means it is not divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. Now see, divisibility test by 8. See, consider the number 7128. Since 1000 is divisible by 8, 7000 is also divisible by 8. We must check if 128 is divisible by 8. Since 128 is divisible by 8, 7128 is also divisible by 8. See, here you have to remember last 3 digits. See, 7, 2, 9, 8. Means if last 3 digits are divisible by 8, it means this full number is also divisible by 8. Okay. See, for example, I will give one question. See, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2. See, first of all, see the last 3 digits. If 6, 7, 2 is divisible by 8 or not. Just divide it. 6, 7, 2 divide by 8. 8 is a 64 minus 7 minus 4, that is 3, 2, 8, 4 that 32. 0, 0. It means 84. If you get the reminder here 0, it means it is divisible by 8. If 3, 6, 7, 2, last 3 digit numbers are divisible by 8, it means this full number is also divisible by 8. See, just suppose if 3 digits are given here in question 6, 7, 2. Then what you will do? You have to see the whole number, 3 digits. Just you have to remember that 3 digits you have to taken anyhow. If these digits are here or not, no matter. It doesn't matter here. Only 3 digits you have to take here. Now see, we will do some exercise questions. Exercise 2. if. See, from the following, find a number divisible by 6. How to find a number that is divisible by 6 or not? 6, 7, 2. First of all, you have to apply your first point here, that it is an even number or not. 6, 7, 2 is even number. It means it is an even number. Okay. What is your second point? It is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2 because 2 is given here, even number is given here, and all even numbers are divisible by 2. So it is divisible by 2. Now find if it is divisible by 3 or not. Apply here. 6 plus 7 plus 2 means 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. 15 is divisible by 3 means it is, therefore it is divisible by 3. It means this number is divisible, therefore it is divisible by 6. Okay, 3 of the steps are applied here, so it is divisible by 6. See question number 2. 813. Now see, it is an even number? No, it is an odd number. See, it is an odd number. In the first point only you got this, it is not divisible by 6. It is an odd number. So, it is not divisible by 6. See, remember 3 of the points should be applied here to make it divisible by 6. See question number C. 7312. It is an even number. It is an even number. Okay. Now see whether it is divided by 2 or not. Yes, because it is an even number, it should be divided by 2. It is divisible by 2. Now see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. See 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 2 13. Means 13 is not divisible by, it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Rest of the questions you can do by yourself. All questions are similar. You just have to apply your steps here. Now see whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. Second question. See 328. Your first question is 328. See what I have explained you there. Last 3 digits means any more digit is not given, only 3 digits are given here. So you have to see your 3 digits only. 3, 2, 8. Just divide it by 8. Now see 8 4s are 30. 2, 0, 8. 8 1s are 8. You will get here 41. It means it is, if you get the remainder 0, it means it is divisible by 8. See question number B. 4728. 4, 7, 2, 8. Now see last 3 digit 7, 2, 8. Find whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 8 9s are 72, 0, 0. Now 8. 8 1s are 8, 0. If you get the reminder here 0, it means it is divisible by, it is divisible by 8. Okay. Now see question number E. 6, 3, 2, 4. Now divide it. 6, 3, 2, 4 divide by 8. 8 1s are 8. Now see 8 8s are 64, means 63 is given here. 8 7s are 56. Now minus it. 7 you will get here. 0. Now see 2, 72, 0. Now 4. See, it means it will not get divisible by 8, means it is not divisible by, it is not divisible by 8. Okay. See rest of the questions you have to do by yourself. I have explained it. See, if you don't understand it, see on question page number 35, all content is given here. Just read it out once, then you will get it. Okay. Thank you.